Hey everyone, Tim here from Flavour Blaster with a brand new episode of Tim's Tips. This week's topic is cleaning and maintenance. I can barely contain my excitement. Let's go. Anyone who knows anything about the efficient running of a bar understands the importance of good housekeeping. The proper cleaning and maintenance of equipment, machines and tools is absolutely essential. And the Flavour Blaster, despite its impressive durability, is no exception. Here is what can happen when the Flavour Blaster is not cleaned and maintained properly. When the Flavour Blaster is used frequently during service, as the coil in the tank heats up, condensation collects on the underside of the aroma tank. If daily cleaning procedures are followed, there is nothing to worry about. However, if they are not followed, then the condensation can build up over time, which can lead to the liquid entering the interior. And despite most of the interior parts being waterproofed, this can still lead to functionality issues. For example, the pin inside the nozzle might malfunction, the trigger might jam, and in some extreme cases, we have found that liquid has dripped all the way down to the base, which can damage the charging port. In order to prevent these kinds of issues, here is a super simple daily cleaning and maintenance step-by-step procedure. Clean and maintain the Flavour Blaster after use. To ensure that your Flavour Blaster is always in tip-top condition, clean the Flavour Blaster nozzle with a wet or dry cloth. Then clean the underside of the aroma tank and the inside of the Flavour Blaster nozzle using a dry cloth, being careful not to damage the metal pins inside of the nozzle. Pour any remaining Bubble X liquid back into the bottle and clean and dry the Bubble X dish, and always store the aroma tank outside of the Flavour Blaster when not in use. My personal preferred way to store my aroma tanks when they're not in use is via a well-organised mise en place that looks something like this. Now, these trays are super handy and they comfortably house not only your aroma tanks but all of your accessories as well. These are available through our website www.flavourblaster.com. Thank you so much for watching everyone. I hope this has helped. As always, please use the comment section below to request videos. Also like and subscribe, and remember, don't be dirty, keep it clean.